Hello viewers, welcome to our channel GK Horizon by AI. Unlike last video, we will have answers to 20 questions on Animal Planet today. So stay tuned on today's video which will help you in different competitive examinations and quiz competitions. So let's start. Question number 1. Which is the first flying bird? The answer is Archaeopteryx. The earliest known bird from fossils is the 150 million years old Archaeopteryx. The Archaeopteryx has a number of features not found in modern birds, including jaws with teeth, claws on hand long, bony tail. Question number 2. Which birds build largest nests? The answer is the bald eagle and the sociable weaver. These two birds build largest nests. Question number 3. Which is the highest flying bird? The answer is Rappel's griffon vulture is the highest flying bird. It can fly with an altitude of 37,000 feet. So Rappel's griffon vulture is the highest flying bird. Question number 4. Is there any deer that can produce perfume? The question is there any deer that can produce perfume? The answer of this is musk deer. Musk deer can produce perfume. The perfume named as musk, obtained from a male musk deer and having a penetrating and persistent odor. Question number 5. Which animal is having 3 hearts? The answer is octopuses and squids, particularly the animals called cephalopods, having 3 hearts. Question number 6. Which animal never drinks water in its entire life? I repeat the question, which animal never drinks water directly in its entire life? And the correct answer for this is kangaroo rats of United States Southwest deserts are the animal which never drinks water in its entire life. Question number 7. Which animal is having strongest sense of smell? The animal which is having strongest sense of smell is African elephant. So as per research, they are the animal which strongest sense of smell. Question number 8. Which animal is having most outsized ear on the planet? The answer for it is long-eared jerboa is the animal which is having most outsized ear. Compared to its body size, its each ear is around 1.3 times the length of its head. Question number 9. Which animal can shoot blood? The answer is North American desert horned lizard can shoot blood. There is a particular typical gland near his eyes through which it can shoot bloods. Question number 10. Which animal spent most of his life hanging on trees? And the answer is sloths. Sloths are the animal which spent most of its life hanging on trees. Next question, question number 11. Which bird can fly in rivers? The answer is hummingbird. Hummingbird can fly in rivers. Question number 12. Which animal were domesticated first by human? The answer is the goats and the dogs were the first animal which has been domesticated by human first? Question number 13. Which sea animal lays the biggest egg? The sea animal which lays the biggest egg is whale shark. Question number 14. Which animal has the highest blood pressure? And the answer for this is giraffe. Giraffe is having the highest blood pressure. It is 200 to 350 mmHg. Question number 15. Which male sea creature gives birth to its young? The answer is seahorse. Male seahorse gives birth to its young. Question number 16. How many legs does a lobster have? The answer is a lobster have 10 legs. Next question, question number 17. Which is the only big cat that doesn't roar? All the cats, big cats, roar, but only one big cat doesn't roar. The answer for this is cheetah. Question number 18. Which animal has the thickest fur of any mammal? The animal which is having the thickest fur of any mammal is sea otter. Sea otter is the animal which is having the thickest fur. Question number 19. Which bird's eye is bigger than its brain? The answer is ostrich. Ostrich eye is bigger than its brain. The last question of the series. What color is a polar bear's hair? The answer is the color of the polar bear hair is clear. So it's look white because it's hollow and reflects light. But actually it is clear. There is no color. So viewers, we will meet again in another interesting video. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.